How to start using multi-location features. The multi-location add-on feature allows you to have more than one location in your software. To add the multi-location feature, please call sales at 1-888-919-5841. To add a new location to your software, go to Utilities. Click on Location Management. Click Add New. Name the location. Make sure the name includes something that makes it easy to identify, such as the street name/neighborhood. This will help distinguish between each location more easily. Fill in address and contact information for the location. Click Save. You may be prompted to set an admin PIN for your existing location. The system settings, pricing, and business hours will be automatically copied over from the other location. If the new location has different system settings, pricing, or business hours, make sure to adjust your settings accordingly. After adding a new location, you will see a notification giving you the option to set up a separate login for the new location. Creating a separate login allows you to keep your own Encore account email and password private and set up a separate account for employees at the new location to use. If you want to create a new login with a separate email address and password, click Add Login. You will be able to add a new email address and password for the new location to log in with. The Location Groups feature allows you to group multiple locations together to be able to apply settings/run reports for each group. This is helpful if you have groups of locations managed by a regional manager or franchisor. We will go over the settings that include location groups throughout this tutorial playlist. If you are unsure if you need to add location groups, finish watching all of the tutorials first. Now that we have added a second location, we have the ability to switch between locations. Click on the Change Location button. You will see all of your locations here and can switch between them by clicking on a location. Click the Settings tab. Here, you'll find payroll settings that are specific to managing multiple locations. By default, Run Payroll by Location Group will be off, meaning that payroll will be run per location. If you want to run payroll per location group instead, turn this toggle on. Please note that if you have already run payroll, you will not be able to adjust this setting unless you go delete past pay periods for all locations. The Add Users button allows you to add employees that need to have access to run payroll at all locations. Next, click on Gift Card. There are 3 options to control how gift cards can be redeemed. Redeem at any location allows gift cards to be used at any location, regardless of which location they were purchased at. The Redeem at any location in the location group purchased at option allows gift cards to be used at any location within the same location group where the card was originally purchased. Redeem only at the location purchased at restricts gift card use to the original location where it was purchased, preventing redemption at any other location. Lastly, click on Loyalty Points. This area has 3 options that work the same as the gift card options, except they control loyalty point redemption. Click Save when done. Next, we will go over a few other settings specific to the multi-location feature. Click on System. Go to Multi-Location. You can adjust the Pay Tips for Current Location Only option here. If this option is enabled, Encore will only show the tips that were collected at the current location when paying out tips in the Tips Payout utility. Next, click on the Appointment tab. There is an option here under General to be able to confirm appointments for this location separately. Please note that if you plan to use the default confirmation message, it will display the location name depending on which location it is being sent from, even if this setting is disabled. Enable this if you want to have a different sending time for automatic appointment emails and texts, or if you would like to be able to write your own custom appointment confirmation message per location. We have now finished going over how to start using the multi-location feature. Thanks for watching.